This is just an example how to solve any worksheet on your phone itself. So guys, this is just an example. You have to guide your child while doing this activity or this while solving this worksheet. First of all, you have to select that particular worksheet or image sent by teacher, and then you have to click on edit button, this one. Okay, after clicking on edit, you will find option of drawing. In some mobile it is named as doodle, where you can find some brush, color, size and all. So simply I have selected this brush, straight line, A for apple, so I have to join this apple to A. Okay, then again click on doodle in this way, brush, select line, Y for yak. So we will have to guide our child to connect Y to the picture of yak in this way. Then again you have to select it. F for fan. So ask child to join F to the picture of fan in this way. Again select the same option. P for parrot. So ask child to connect P to the picture of parrot in this way. Last one, select that option, doodle or draw option, and then O for, here it is orange, picture of orange. Okay, afterwards select to done, and then your answer will be like this, and then send it to